Are you trying to add an international employee in Gusto but stuck on US-only fields? Follow these 22 click-by-click steps to send their invite in under 3 minutes. First, you'll add the person as an employee. Then, enter their country and contact info, set up the work address and start date, configure their pay, and finally send the invite. To get started, open up Gusto. You'll be on the main dashboard. From there, click on the People section in the main menu. Now click Add Person to begin adding your new employee. Start by typing the employee's first name into the first name field. Then, if there's a middle initial, pop that in as well. Now type their last name into the last name field. After that, enter their preferred first name, the one they actually use day to day. Go ahead and click on the Employee option to set their type. Then, click the Country dropdown and select the appropriate country for your international hire. Now type their email address into the Email field. Once those details are in, click Save and Continue to move on. Now, click the Select Work Address option to set up where they'll work. Click on the Start Date field to bring up the calendar. For this example, click on the 11th. Next, click on the Job Title field to specify their role. Then choose Create a new job title from the options so you can enter a custom one. Type the job title in the text box that appears. Click on the Select Type field to pick what kind of pay this is. Type in the amount. Then hit the Select Time Period dropdown, and for this example, click Hour. Once everything looks good, click Save and Continue to move along. Finally, click Send and Continue. And there you go. You've added your international employee. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.